Hello, today I will take a look at an operator script that loads a lot of movies and images into Blender at once. If there are several movies and images related to a video, the first step of video editing is to overview all the materials quickly. To do this, we need to load all the files into Blender at once easily. Blender can load movies or images in various formats, but it has some bad things. The easiest way to load one file is to drag and drop it into the sequence window from the Blender file browser or the OS file browser. This method can be used to load only one file at a time. Even if we select multiple files, in that case, just only one of them will be loaded. To load multiple files at a time, we have to use the menus. When we click Movie, we can load multiple movies at once. However, when we try the same thing for images, the result will be slightly different from our intention. If we click Image, we can load multiple images at once, but the multiple images are merged into one video. So, about images, it is not possible to load multiple files at once individually. When we have dozens of images to load, it gets a little annoying. And there is one more problem. Because we cannot load movies and images all together at once, even though movies or images are mixed in a single serial time, it is difficult to review the video by a single timeline. Now it is the time for today's script. This is the script we will be using today. Today, I will show you how to use the script, and about the coding will be covered in the next video. You can download this code from the link in the description section down below. After getting the file, make any window into the text editor and load the script. Then run the script and return this window to the previous state. Put the mouse pointer on the sequence window. Press the F3 key to bring up the searching dialog box. Here, try typing VSE. We should see import strip like this. If it doesn't look like this, make sure the developer extra checkbox is checked in the Preferences window. This option allows us to search for our custom operators in the searching dialog box. By default, this option is unchecked, so we need to check it ourselves. Choose Import Strips. Then we can see the File dialog box. Select the files and click the Import Strips. Then all the files are loaded at a time. After all the files are loaded into Blender, we can overview the video more easily. If we want to change the order of loading files, we can use the option in the right side of the File dialog box. Especially for the images, we can set how many frames for each image. This operator uses the file extension to distinguish whether the strip is a movie or an image. What do you think about today's operator? I think this operator can alleviate your pain when you start video editing. And lastly, I am making these videos to improve my English speaking. If you have any idea about my English speaking, please let me know. And see you next time. Bye.